Sorry, the video got cut off. The one thing I was just going to add in terms of pregnancy, and this is actually something a client of mine asked recently. She was like, "Well, I should probably wait to get the life insurance until after the baby's born, right?" And I said, "Okay, well, my answer is going to be a little morbid, but you know, if the baby does come and God forbid something happens to the mother in birth, you certainly absolutely would want to take care of that new baby as well." So with life events, you know, relationship, marriage, new child,
College.
college, whatever the situation is, it's always a time to review your life insurance and to see whether or not you need more. The short answer is, unless an insurance company tells you they won't give you more, that means you don't have enough, in my opinion.
Oh, right now, aren't most insurance companies waiving the requirement to test or whatever?
Right, and part of the underlying feeling that's probably has this on both of our minds, of course, is the COVID situation. And one of the things that she just said, life insurance companies are waiving the medical exams in many instances. So that is a great opportunity right now to get through an application without too much extra work.
Yeah, and since the quarantine, I think most of us have had adequate time to start thinking about life and death. That both of them are very much reality, and so I mean, a lot of us have income replacement right now during these times because of whatever took place, but I want to remind you all that like it doesn't cost a whole lot to get a life insurance policy. Having some is better than nothing at all, and I am a true advocate of having life insurance and carrying it because it provides, it's like a safety net. It's a feeling that I got when I first purchased my first life insurance policy, and I was able to put whomever I wanted down as the beneficiary. There were some activities that I wouldn't normally engage in. They were not necessarily risky, but it was like, do I really, like, it's almost like I was holding back on living because being afraid of dying and leaving my children without being taken care of or provided for in the event of my death. But after I purchased the life insurance policy, not like money can raise a child, but I was like, I can live a little more, enjoy myself, and not like I'm gonna be reckless, but I mean, it just gave me a different sense of relief, and plus it was just, it felt like I was doing something for them that in the event of my untimely death, that they would be taken care of. So, I mean, it like kind of alleviated worry or something. I don't know. Like being a single parent, that was a major concern for me. Like when I was doing this all by myself. I'm not doing it all by myself right now. Although Cole and I, like, we don't have children together, he is stepping in, stepping up. But like there were things I just felt weird. Like what if I died? Like who's gonna willingly take care of my children and take on all that financial debt? Like it costs a lot. I'm not even talking about raising a child from right now through 18. I'm talking about the immediate cost that the person will suffer as soon as they take custody of my children. You know what I'm saying? Like, so think about immediate need for more clothes, because they're not going to just come to my house and grab all my children's clothes. They're only going to take a few things more than likely. You know what I'm saying? And then you got to feed the child. The child might have to go to school within a few days or weeks. And like, there's going to be a whole lot that these children need. And so whoever takes care of the children, they will end up being the recipient. So you do have to make sure you somebody trustworthy is going to like get custody of your kids when you pass away. And that's like estate planning and all that, or like, But that's a whole nother conversation. But think about like what's going to happen to your children. Who's going to take care of your children for you in the event of your death? Like if you're a single parent, you know, what's going to happen to your kids? And how many family members or friends do you think are going to take on all that financial responsibility? Like if you only have one child. Now imagine if you have 6 or 10 between the two of us.
And the one thing I will add, and this is true whether or not you're married to the person who's your beneficiary or their fiance or boyfriend, girlfriend, whatever the situation is, as long as you own the policy, you can always change the beneficiary.
Right.
So if you have life insurance, God forbid something doesn't work out, you can change that and still keep the life insurance.
Right.
So
That's true.
So it's not something you're quote
stuck
unquote
in.
married to
Right.
forever.
You can change it, yeah. So I can make a few jokes about that, but I won't.
Anyway, so if you have any questions at all about life insurance in any way, shape, or form, you know, and we'll do another topic also on where life insurance can fit in terms of tax planning, getting to a 0% tax bracket, as well as putting life insurance in terms of estate planning and retirement planning. So we'll be doing more videos to explain more things. But this one, we just wanted to sort of touch a nerve and see what people thought about getting life insurance on their boyfriend, girlfriend, fiance, someone who they're not married to.
Yeah. So the next video could possibly be about the power of zero. I think we've been invited to a webinar or some type of seminar.
Right.
And I don't really know much about that, but I think Okolo, he's read the book and you know, so I need to probably go ahead and attend that seminar.
Yeah, great one. All right. Thank you very much. Everyone have a great day. Bye.
Yes, bye.